Hello lovelies, you're welcome again to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope everything is going well with you and your family. I hope you're enjoying your day. I hope your day is going well. I hope the weather is fair, it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's just very okay. And I also hope you're smiling as you're watching this video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Precious Ajike, and on this channel I do a lot of DI natural hair care videos. I will show you how to grow your hair using your own ingredients in the kitchen. I'm also into skincare products and children protective hairstyle. All my videos are natural and you can prepare them at the comfort of your home. There are no chemical added in all my videos. They are all natural products and they are very effective. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to prepare only one ingredient hair growth butter. This hair growth butter is super effective. It is very effective, guys. I am not joking. It is tested and trusted. Please guys, stay calm to watch this video to the end and you will love it. Watch how to prepare this hair growth butter and I promise you, you will love it. You will come and tell me, thank you Precious Ajike. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor by subscribing to my channel and also click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you are already a subscriber, you are very welcome. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. Thank you for always sharing. Thank you for always liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you. I am super grateful, guys. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you, and remember, I love you. So guys, in preparing this effective hair growth butter, our major ingredient is guava leaf. Guava leaf is very beneficial to our hair. Guava leaf prevents hair fall. Guava leaf strengthens and repair our weak hair. The vitamin C content present in guava leaf improves collagen activity, aiding in hair growth and also thickening our hair. Guava leaf helps to prevent infection to the scalp and promote healthy scalp and hair growth. Guava leaf help nourish the scalp and make the roots stronger and less prone to breakage. The benefits of guava leaf to our hair are so numerous. It is very necessary to include guava leaf to your hair regimen. So how do we prepare this hair growth butter? To prepare this hair growth butter, first you get your fresh guava leaf. And when you get your fresh guava leaf, you wash it to remove dirt and get rid of germs and whatever it is. So you wash it, and after washing it, you cut it into pieces with your scissors. And when you're done cutting it, you dry it. Guys, you can decide to also do it this way. Get your fresh guava leaf, wash it and dry it without cutting. The reason why I cut mine before drying is because currently now we are in rainy season and the weather is not very friendly. So today it is rainy, it is sunny, and I wanted to make use of the sun and I wanted to dry it within one day. So that is why I cut it into smaller pieces for it to dry faster. So when you're done cutting and drying, you blend it. You put them in your blender and you blend it smoothly. Just as I'm doing on this video. As you're blending, you'll be checking if it is smoothly blended or not. I am blending it dry, and when you're done blending it, you check it if it is smoothly blended or not. I am very okay with the texture now. It is smoothly blended and it's okay. So I'm going to go in to add my other ingredients. So I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil. I'm adding 40 ml of my extra virgin olive oil. going to add my coconut oil. I'm adding 10 ml of my coconut oil. Then I'll go in to add my cacao oil. I'll add 20 ml of my cacao oil. Guys, you can use any oil of your choice. If you don't have cacao oil or coconut oil or any oil of your choice, is very okay. If you have only extra olive oil, is okay. If you have only coconut oil, is okay. If you have only almond oil, castor oil, any of the oil of your choice, is very okay. They are all very, very good for this hair growth butter. So when you're done adding all your oil, you put them in your blender again to blend. The reason why you are blending for the second time is because you want all your oil to mix together with your guava leaf. This is after blending, you can see it. Now I'll go in to sieve my products, to sieve my oil from my guava leaf. Guys, I always ask you to sieve your hair products. Sieve your hair. Take the extra time to sieve your hair product, please, no matter what. Because if you don't sieve it, if you apply all of it like directly to your hair, and all of this guava leaf are stuck in your hair, removing it in certain hairs, guys, you will not like it. I have tried it. I've made the mistake once, and I don't want you to make that same mistake. So always take the extra time to sieve your hair products. Guys, can you see the green color of it? The color is live, and it's just making me, it's giving me this special vibe. So when you're done sieving your guava leaf from your oil, what you're going to do now is you're going to use the double heat method to add the other ingredients. So I'm adding my shea butter and my cacao butter. So I'm going to melt these ingredients together. I will also add my bee wax and my emulsifying wax. This is my bee wax. And here is my emulsifying wax. Why am I adding emulsifying wax and bee wax? Aside that, bee wax and emulsifying wax are very, very good to our hair. Another reason I'm adding it is because the guava leaf has some water content in it. So I want to balance both the water and the oil together. So after I have added everything, everything is melted, I'll go in to add my guava oil. My guava leaf oil is already added in it, and I will stir it to mix it properly, to mix everything together. And when I'm done stirring and mixing it, I'll put it in my fridge for 30 minutes. So this is it after 1 hour, because I was doing something, so I've completely, not that I forgot, but I just leave it for 1 hour. So this is it after 1 hour. So I'm going to mix everything. I'm going to whip it to get the butter form. Guys, if you don't have a hand mixer to mix your own, to whip it, it's okay. You can use it like that. After bringing it from the freezer, you use it like that on your hair. It is very okay. But if you want to get the butter from the fluffiness and everything, it is good you mix it with your hand mixer, just the way I am doing on this video. The only thing is, if you don't have a hand mixer, there are other ingredients I'm going to add after I have whipped it. So the thing is, if you don't have a hand mixer, you add all those ingredients like your honey, your organic honey, your your lavender essential oil, your tea tree essential oil, although they are optional. But if you have those ingredients, you add it in your oil before you put them in the fridge. So I'm going to add my my organic honey. I'm adding 10 ml of my organic honey in it. Then I'll go again to add my lavender essential oil. I'm adding 5 ml of my lavender essential oil. And then I will go in to add my tea tree essential oil. I'm going to add 5 drops of my tea essential oil. Guys, I have told you this part is optional. If you don't have tea tree essential oil or lavender essential oil or organic honey, it is very okay. But if you add all of these ingredients, your hair butter will work better. But if you don't have them, don't go and start borrowing one of them. It's okay. It will still work well on your hair. Your hair will still grow. Your edges will grow. It will straighten your hair and everything. And so when I'm done adding those things, I will then go in again to add my preservative, because I'm going to preserve this hair butter. So I'm adding my preservative. I'm adding 1% of everything. And when I'm done adding my preservative, I will whip again for everything to mix together. If I like whipping my own until I will start seeing that white color. As in, I just whip it. You can see the color is gradually changing, so I'll just whip it. I whip this thing for almost 30 minutes. I was whipping and I removed the camera because I don't want your data to finish watching just this video. So you see, I whip it for almost, you can see the color is gradually changing now. So the more you whip it, the better for all the ingredients to mix together. If you're tired, you can rest, but just whip. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor to subscribe, and also do me a favor to click on the notification icon. Also do me another favor to give me a massive thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends, your contacts. Just share this video. It means so much to you, girl. So when you're done whipping everything, you try to remove the most quantity you can remove from your hand mixer, because there's no way you can remove all of it. So just remove the much quantity you can remove. You can see this is my butter. Wow, you can see my butter, guys. I feel like meow. God, I feel like just licking it like that. But please don't lick it. It is not eatable. It is for your hair. So I am putting it in my can, in my jar. So this is it. Can you see it? Can you see my butter, guys? Can you see my butter? So how do you apply this hair growth butter on your hair, guys? After shampooing your hair, just section your hair into different parts and rub it on your scalp. Massage it from the root of your hair to the tip of your hair. In fact, make sure you add it very generously on your tip, because our tip is actually the most delicate part of our hair. It is weak, so you apply it. It's still in moisture. It helps your hair. It straightens your hair. It helps your hair to grow. Rub it on your edges also. Make sure you apply this product at least once a week. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give your girl a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Remember, I love you. Thank you, and God bless you.